Hey friends, Shurr here. So, how do you look and feel younger? There's two ways to look and feel younger, and the first way is to get healthy and take off any extra weight that we put on. A lot of us have gained weight over the years. I know I did. I had put on 19 extra pounds, and I really felt it. It made me feel tired. It made me feel fatigued. I had a lot of mental fog. At like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I just felt like this crash, and like all my energy disappeared, and I didn't like how my clothes were fitting, and I was just kind of all of a sudden having this belly, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what's going on here, right? And so I started exercise. I started eating right, you know, because your abs are created in the kitchen, not in the gym. So, and then the second thing is reduce your stress, because stress ages us very quickly. And so getting rid of extra weight and getting rid of stress are two really important things that will help you look younger and feel younger at any age. The problem is that the approach to try to do those things is horrible. If you listen to the pop culture gurus on the internet, or you listen to the same old advice that the weight loss industries are dishing out, then your odds of actually achieving your success of losing weight and keeping it off are 1%. 1 out of 100 will create sustainable weight loss results, because the approach is broken. It just doesn't work. I mean, think about it. Most people are trying to lose weight. Most people are on a diet, and when you look around, does it look like everybody's in great shape, that everybody's relaxed and happy? No, everybody's overweight, getting heavier every year, stressed out, frustrated, always feeling like there's something missing from their life, and there is. And what's missing is the results. And so I put together a program I've been working on for a couple of decades to help you understand the shocking truth about the lies that are always constantly being handed to us through the media. And it's just, I couldn't believe it. Because I bought into those lies as well, all those weight loss lies and the dieting lies. And so when I dug in a little deeper, I realized, oh my gosh, we have been told something that's completely false. That approach doesn't work at all. It's broken. And so I spent 2 decades trying to figure out what actually is working. And I studied the most happy, successful people that were in great shape. I didn't study illness, I studied health, right? That's the problem with psychology and the medical profession. They tend to focus on symptoms and sickness instead of looking at the whole person and, you know, health and wellness. And so that's what I focused on, and I figured it out. Now I'm excited. I've been sharing it with thousands and thousands of people. I want to share these secrets with you as well. I've got a webinar that's coming up, this free event this Thursday. Sign up for it now, because if you don't have this information, your odds of being successful when it comes to getting stressed down and improving the way you look and feel, it's going to be real low, right? So you have to have this information. You're not going to find it anywhere else, because I went looking for that in other places first and couldn't find it. And then I realized I'm going to have to put this all together. And it took a long time, but it's together now and it's worked. I've tested this with thousands of people and it works incredibly well, and it's going to work for you too. So sign up for the webinar right now. Why are you still watching this video? Click on the link, sign up for the webinar so I can share the shocking truth behind why so many people fail to get results, and what you can do to finally start creating the body you desire and the life that will make you feel happy and fulfilled. So sign up right now, and I'll see you on Thursday. Thanks.